All right, why do we say fat is good in cooking? Fat is flavor, right? Number one, fat is flavor. In fat, truly, there just is more flavor. Whether it's chicken fat, beef fat, veal fat, pork fat. That's why in bases like the commercial bases, chicken base, beef base, fat is almost always in there because it's cheap, very inexpensive, and it's got like some great flavor for whatever that is. So, if we're talking a cut of meat that is well marbled, meaning the meat is here and then you can see the streaks of fat in there, that's marbling. That's going to taste beefier. If we're talking about a beef, it's going to taste beefier than one where you can't see it. So, it may be the exact same cut, but the flavor is going to be different, and the texture is going to be different because the more fat that's in there, the more marbling that takes place. It breaks up those muscle fibers, creating a sense of tenderness in your mouth. Let's look at my cheat sheet over here. And then let me look at it one more time. Juiciness. So juiciness, fat as it cooks, it heats up, it melts, and that gives us the juiciness. So there's the internal marbling. The heated product is going to be juicy, and then there's something that's called barding, is taking fat and surrounding a lean piece of meat. That's why everything is wrapped in bacon. Bacon is quite fatty, and it helps kind of it base it as it cooks. So fat is good. Maybe not for the ones that are trying to drop some weight, but as far as delicious eating, yes, fat is good.